Imagine waking up one day to discover that the solution to a condition as serious as proteinuria could be as simple as changing what you eat. It's almost like a dream come true. No complex medications or invasive treatments, just the natural power of fruits and a little knowledge about what they can do for your body. What if the key to stopping the protein from leaking into your urine and damaging your kidneys is something as accessible and straightforward as a dietary adjustment? This isn't just wishful thinking, it's a possibility grounded in science and nature. The potential to halt proteinuria overnight and kickstart your journey to kidney repair lies within your reach, ready to transform your health with just a few small changes. Imagine the relief and hope that such a simple, effective strategy could bring to those struggling with kidney issues, offering not just a temporary fix, but a real, lasting impact on your overall well-being. You won't believe how these common fruits, often overlooked in our daily routines, hold the extraordinary power to drastically change your health journey. At first glance, they might seem like ordinary fruits found in any grocery store, but hidden within their vibrant colors and sweet flavors are potent compounds capable of transforming your kidney health. Picture this: with every bite, these fruits work behind the scenes, supporting your kidneys, reducing inflammation, and even halting the progression of proteinuria. It's almost like discovering a hidden treasure in your own kitchen, a treasure that could mean the difference between chronic health struggles and a newfound sense of vitality and well-being. As we uncover which fruits have these remarkable properties, you'll see that what seems like everyday produce might just be the secret weapon you've been missing in your fight for better health. Stay tuned, because the next few moments could completely change the way you think about your diet and its impact on your kidneys. What if the solution to your kidney problems has been sitting in your kitchen all along? Imagine that the key to preventing further damage and possibly even reversing the effects of proteinuria has been right there, hidden among the fruits you pass by every day. It seems almost too good to be true, doesn't it? But what if those ordinary fruits on your counter are actually packed with extraordinary healing properties, just waiting to be tapped into? Instead of searching far and wide for complicated remedies, what if the answer was simply in choosing the right foods, foods that nourish and protect your kidneys naturally? This simple yet profound realization could be the game changer in your journey toward better health. So ask yourself, could the path to healing really be as easy as making a few thoughtful choices in your kitchen? Proteinuria is a condition where your kidneys, which normally filter waste while retaining essential proteins in the blood, start to leak these proteins into your urine. This leakage indicates that the kidney's filtering system is compromised, allowing proteins like albumin, which should remain in your bloodstream, to pass into the urine. While small amounts of protein in the urine can occasionally be normal, persistent or high levels are a warning sign that your kidneys are not functioning properly. This abnormal leakage is often an early indicator of kidney damage or disease, signaling that your kidneys are struggling to maintain their vital role in filtering and retaining essential substances within the body. Recognizing and addressing proteinuria early is crucial, as it can help prevent further kidney deterioration and lead to better management of kidney health. Left unchecked, proteinuria can be far more than just a warning sign. It can be a precursor to serious and potentially irreversible kidney damage. When proteins continue to leak into the urine over time, it places extra strain on the kidneys, further impairing their ability to filter waste and maintain the body's internal balance of fluids and electrolytes. This ongoing strain can gradually deteriorate kidney function, leading to chronic kidney disease, CKD. As the condition progresses, it can ultimately result in kidney failure, where the kidneys lose most or all of their function, necessitating dialysis or even a kidney transplant. The gravity of this progression cannot be overstated. What starts as a relatively minor symptom can evolve into a life-altering health crisis. This is why it's so important to recognize the early signs of proteinuria and take immediate action to prevent further damage. Protecting your kidneys now could mean the difference between maintaining a healthy life and facing long-term health challenges. But what if I told you that the answer to stopping this potentially dangerous progression might be as simple as adding certain fruits to your diet? Fruits that could help halt this damaging process almost overnight. It's not just a matter of wishful thinking. It's about understanding how powerful natural remedies can be when used correctly. The urgency here is real. Every day that proteinuria goes unmanaged is a day that your kidneys endure more damage. However, with the right fruits, packed with nutrients and healing properties, you can take immediate action to protect your kidneys and potentially reverse the course of this condition. Don't wait until it's too late. The solution could be easier and closer than you ever imagined, right there in the fruits you choose to eat. Certain fruits are more than just a sweet treat or a healthy snack. They are nature's powerful allies in supporting kidney health and combating proteinuria. These fruits are packed with essential nutrients and natural compounds, such as antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that have been scientifically proven to benefit the kidneys. These components work in various ways, from reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, which can damage kidney tissues, to enhancing the overall function of the kidney's filtering systems. By incorporating these fruits into your diet, you're not just adding a splash of color to your plate, you're tapping into a potent source of kidney protection and repair. The remarkable properties of these fruits can help reduce the protein leakage into urine, potentially halting the progression of kidney damage and setting you on a path to improved kidney function and better overall health. In a moment, we'll reveal which specific fruits you should be eating and explain why they are so uniquely effective in supporting kidney health and reducing proteinuria. But before we get to that, let's take a closer look at the science behind these fruits' powerful effects. Understanding how these fruits work on a biological level will give you a clearer picture of why they are so beneficial. You'll see that it's not just about choosing any fruit, but about selecting the ones that contain the right compounds to protect your kidneys, reduce inflammation, and prevent further damage. This knowledge is the key to making informed choices that can have a real, immediate impact on your health. So, stay tuned, because what you're about to learn could be the turning point in your journey toward better kidney health. These fruits are incredibly beneficial because they are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that play a crucial role in protecting your kidneys and reducing inflammation. Antioxidants help to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, which can otherwise cause oxidative stress and damage to kidney cells. This oxidative stress is a major contributor to kidney disease, and by lowering it, antioxidants help maintain kidney function. Additionally, the vitamins and minerals found in these fruits support overall kidney health by enhancing their ability to filter waste and regulate fluid balance. They also help to reduce inflammation, which is another key factor that can exacerbate kidney damage. By consuming these fruits, you provide your body with natural defenses against the factors that lead to kidney deterioration, supporting not just your kidneys, but your overall well-being. For example, antioxidants are crucial in reducing oxidative stress, a major contributor to kidney damage and proteinuria. Oxidative stress occurs when there's an imbalance between free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells, and the body's ability to neutralize them with antioxidants. In the context of kidney health, oxidative stress can lead to the deterioration of kidney tissues, impairing their function and contributing to conditions like proteinuria, where proteins leak into the urine due to damaged filtration systems. Antioxidants found in certain fruits combat this by neutralizing free radicals, thereby preventing them from causing further damage. By reducing oxidative stress, Antioxidants help maintain the integrity of kidney cells, supporting their ability to function properly and reducing the likelihood of protein leakage. This protective effect is one of the key reasons why these fruits can be so effective in halting the progression of kidney damage and supporting overall kidney health. But which fruits should you eat to harness these incredible benefits? The answer might surprise you. While some of the most powerful fruits for kidney health are common and readily available, others are often overlooked or misunderstood in terms of their true potential. You might be expecting exotic or rare options, but sometimes the most effective remedies are right under our noses, hidden in plain sight among the everyday fruits we pass by in the grocery store. Stay with us as we uncover the specific fruits that have been scientifically shown to make a significant impact on kidney health. You won't want to miss this, as the next few insights could completely change your approach to managing and improving your kidney health naturally. First on our list is a fruit you might not expect, the humble blueberry. Despite its small size, the blueberry is a powerhouse of nutrition, particularly when it comes to kidney health. Packed with a high concentration of antioxidants, blueberries have been shown to provide significant protective effects against kidney damage. These antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, are not only responsible for the blueberry's deep blue color, but also play a critical role in fighting oxidative stress, which is a major factor in the development of kidney issues. Research has demonstrated that regular consumption of blueberries can help maintain kidney function by reducing inflammation and preventing cellular damage. This tiny fruit, often seen as just a simple snack or addition to a breakfast bowl, carries a surprising potency that makes it an invaluable part of a kidney-friendly diet. Next, we have pomegranate, a fruit celebrated not just for its vibrant color and sweet tart flavor, but also for its powerful health benefits, especially concerning kidney health. Pomegranates are rich in anti-inflammatory compounds, which can help soothe and protect the kidneys from chronic inflammation, a common issue that can lead to kidney damage over time. Additionally, pomegranates are known for their ability to lower blood pressure, a critical factor in maintaining kidney health. High blood pressure can strain the kidneys, impairing their function and increasing the risk of conditions like proteinuria and chronic kidney disease. By helping to regulate blood pressure and reduce inflammation, pomegranates offer a dual approach to supporting kidney health, making them a fantastic choice for anyone looking to prevent further kidney damage and promote overall well-being. And don't forget about cranberries. While they are often associated with urinary tract health due to their ability to prevent urinary tract infections, cranberries also have properties that support kidney function. These small tart berries are packed with antioxidants called proanthocyanidins, which help prevent bacteria from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract, thus reducing the risk of infections that can sometimes ascend to the kidneys. But their benefits don't stop there. Cranberries also have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, protecting them from damage and promoting overall kidney health. Additionally, cranberries have a mild diuretic effect, which can help flush out toxins and reduce the burden on the kidneys. This lesser-known aspect of cranberries makes them a valuable addition to a diet aimed at maintaining and improving kidney health. Take the story of Jane, who had been struggling with proteinuria for years, feeling increasingly frustrated and helpless as her condition persisted despite various treatments. Desperate for a change, she decided to make a simple yet profound adjustment to her diet by incorporating these powerful fruits into her daily routine. To her amazement, within just a week, Jane noticed a remarkable improvement. The protein levels in her urine started to decrease, and she felt a renewed sense of hope and vitality. This transformation wasn't a coincidence, but rather the result of the potent nutrients and natural compounds in these fruits working to support her kidneys and reduce inflammation. Jane's experience isn't an isolated case. A recent scientific study supports her results, showing that participants who included these specific fruits in their daily diet had significantly lower levels of protein in their urine compared to those who did not. This study highlights the potential for dietary changes to make a substantial impact on kidney health, demonstrating that the natural compounds found in fruits like blueberries, pomegranates, and cranberries can provide powerful support for the kidneys. These findings underscore the idea that sometimes the best medicine can be found in the simplest of changes, like adding a handful of berries to your daily meals. It's easy to start incorporating these fruits into your diet to support your kidney health. You don't need to make drastic changes. Just small, simple additions to your daily meals can make a big difference. Start by adding a handful of fresh blueberries to your morning cereal or oatmeal. Not only will this add a burst of flavor, but it will also provide a powerful dose of antioxidants to kickstart your day. For lunch, consider enjoying a glass of pomegranate juice. This refreshing drink not only hydrates but also helps lower blood pressure, which is crucial for protecting your kidneys. Throughout the day, keep a small bag of cranberries handy for snacking. Their tangy taste makes them a great alternative to sugary snacks and provides a natural way to reduce inflammation and support urinary tract health. If you're looking for something more creative, try blending these fruits into a smoothie for a delicious and kidney-friendly drink. Combine a mix of blueberries, pomegranate seeds, and cranberries with a base of almond milk or water. Add a banana for creaminess and a touch of honey if you prefer a sweeter flavor. This smoothie not only tastes great, but also packs a powerful punch of nutrients that support kidney health. Whether you incorporate these fruits into meals, drinks, or snacks, the key is consistency, making them a regular part of your diet to reap the full benefits. Some might think that all fruits are automatically safe for kidneys, but it's important to recognize that this isn't always the case, especially if you have advanced kidney disease. For instance, fruits that are high in potassium, such as bananas, oranges, and avocados, can pose a risk for those with severe kidney impairment. When kidneys are not functioning properly, they may struggle to regulate potassium levels in the blood, potentially leading to dangerous complications. This doesn't mean you should avoid all fruits, but it does highlight the need for careful selection and moderation, especially when managing a sensitive condition like kidney disease. However, don't worry. The fruits we've mentioned, like blueberries, pomegranates, and cranberries, are generally safe and beneficial for most people dealing with kidney issues. They are low in potassium and high in antioxidants, which can help protect and support kidney function without overloading your system. As always, it's best to consult with your doctor or a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet, particularly if you have specific health concerns or conditions. This ensures that you're making choices that align with your individual health needs, providing both safety and the best possible support for your kidneys. By adding these fruits to your diet, you're taking a simple yet powerful step towards halting proteinuria and promoting kidney repair. This small change can make a significant difference, providing your body with the nutrients and natural compounds it needs to protect your kidneys and improve your overall health. It's an easy and natural way to support your kidneys, reduce inflammation, and enhance your body's ability to heal itself. Have you tried any of these fruits for kidney health? Share your experiences in the comments below. Your insights could help others who are on a similar journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on managing kidney health naturally. Together, we can take control of our health journey, making informed choices that lead to a healthier, happier life. Join us in this journey to better kidney health. Hit that subscribe button now and never miss an update. Thank you for watching. Remember, the power to improve your health is truly in your hands. By making small, informed choices, like incorporating these beneficial fruits into your diet, you can take meaningful steps toward better kidney health and overall well-being. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll reveal another surprising food that could be the key to better kidney health. You won't want to miss it, so make sure you're subscribed and ready for more valuable insights into natural ways to support your body.